Welcome. In front of me is an ALCATEL 1B, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off. Now when the device turns off, all you will need to do is hold your power button and volume up at the same time. And as you can see, this will boot us into recovery mode. Now in here you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which one you press, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going over the options that we have access to, we have first one, which is reboot system now, just a way to get back to Android. Then we have reboot to bootloader and enter fast boot mode. These both enter fast boot mode. Then we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, on system, view logs, run tests, or power off the device. So those are all the options. Now I'm gonna stick with the first one, confirm it with the power button, and like I mentioned, this will just bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.